Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Lists on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Microsoft Lists link. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Lists web application where you can manage all your lists and data. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all your lists and can sync them across devices once the app is installed. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional options and settings for the application. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Cast, Save and Share. This section contains various features related to sharing your content and accessing Microsoft Lists in different ways. When you hover over it, a submenu will expand, showing you more specific options. In this submenu, look for and click on Install Microsoft Lists. This is the key feature that allows you to turn the web application into a standalone app on your PC. Installing it gives you quicker access and a more native app experience without needing to open your browser every time. Once you click on Install, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This prompt is asking for your permission to add Microsoft Lists to your computer as an installed application. It's a quick verification step to make sure you actually want to proceed with the installation. Simply click Install in the confirmation dialog to complete the process. The installation happens almost instantly, and Microsoft Lists will now be available as a standalone application on your PC. You can access it directly from your Start menu or desktop, making it much more convenient to manage your lists without opening a web browser. And that's it! You've successfully installed Microsoft Lists on your PC as a standalone app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.